So if you are planning to start importation, here is one piece of advice that you should take seriously, like so serious, guys. It is, don't tell your family member. Yes, like your family member literally don't need to know. So this thing doesn't apply to every family member, but I would say most family member here in Nigeria, I'll tell them that don't tell anybody. Like literally don't tell anybody. See, if you come from the higher class or middle class, guys, so you can literally tell them. I'm not from those type of background, guys, so you can tell them. But I'm talking about we guys, like people that come from the lower background. So I will tell you that don't tell your family member, because like they won't believe in you. Like there are just a lot of things, and I'm going to be sharing you in this video, guys. So when I start my importation journey, guys, I told my friends about it that, oh, I can help you to get goods from China. So it's got them laughing, guys. They'll be like, I will get you goods from China. How will I do it and everything? I just tell them that, yes, I can do it, guys. You just pay me this type of amount and I can help you to get anything you want and everything. They'll be like, no, they are not sure. That means that I haven't even showed them anything or anything like that. So they told me that, no, I can't. I was like, I'm sure now. See, you understand? I'm trying to show them everything, that this is how it works, this is how it works, guys. And they literally don't believe me. And I don't blame them, because you understand, people, like, they want results. Yes, they want results. You can't tell people about like something and don't show results, especially if you're from this part of the world, guys, which is Africa, guys. Like they want results. So that's just one thing, guys. They literally, like, they zone me off. So if I'm the type of person that I get depressed, like everything, guys, I would have given up, because all these people, they don't believe me. You understand? Because like there are some students of mine that I taught importation, guys. So the person tells, when she first imports goods from China, it is our family member, all our friends are anything, like our niece and everybody, guys. So she helped them to get goods from China. So I was like, wow, you're so lucky. But what is different is that she's from a rich background. Yes, they are living very comfortable, guys. But me, that I'm not from a wealthy background, I know how everything is, guys. So nobody believe me. So it is very, very different. So like I said, guys, if you're from the higher class, then it is fine. You can literally tell them, because they will even help you to scale up quickly. But if you're from the lower background, don't tell them, because that's just it, guys. And another thing is that jealousy. So they will even tell you that, is that even a real job and everything? You try to explain better to them that, oh, it is importation, just like normal way. I will help, like, you help people to buy things from China for cheap and everything. And also there's one stigma in Nigeria that we have. We believe that every goods that we hear made in China are fake. So people might start telling you this and that, oh, like, made in China, they are fake and everything, because a lot of people don't know that all these goods that they are using are from China. Like 95% of the goods they are using are from China. People don't know that. Like, they don't know that at all. Even right now that importation is on the rise, guys. So importation is getting more popular, it's getting momentum, guys. People still don't believe. They believe that anything that they said made in China are fake. So all these things can kill your dream if you can't handle failure gracefully, guys. Oh, all these things can kill your dream, guys. So everybody are not the same. So some people, they literally act according to what they hear. Yes, like if you tell them that this and this, you understand, they'll start doubting themselves. So everybody are not confident. Like a lot of people are not confident. So that is why everybody won't be rich. Everybody won't have a car. Some people will even have a car and don't drive them, because they are not confident enough to drive. So that's just it. Some people are not confident. So hearing these kind of things from your early stage can literally make you quit, because I will tell you that importation is not just all smooth, guys. So there are ups and downs, like every other business. But if you are already, like, if people already poison your mind, then you won't be you won't be able to enjoy the sweetness of it, guys. So it is just, that will just apply to the world entirely, guys. So if people poison your mind about something, that they only show you the bad part, that, oh, it is like this, you might get scammed. So you just send money to a stranger and the person will deliver goods to you. Understand? All those kind of things, they might poison your, it's not even they might, they will poison your mind. So when they poison your mind, guys, you too, you will also be having doubt about yourself, guys. So all these things will kill your dream. So that is why I do say, like, don't tell people. If you want to be focused, just locked in, learn this thing. If you have a little, like 10,000 naira or 20,000 is enough to import, guys. So find that those type of money, import your first goods, and when you import your first goods, guys, you showed it to them that, oh, see what I got from China. They will be so surprised. They'll be like, really? You got this thing from China? You buy it yourself? Understand? They'll be asking questions. So through that, you might start winning their hearts a little by little before they can now trust you with your money. So that's just how it is, guys. Because when I first started my importation, guys, like, a stranger trusted me more than my friends and family, guys. But after that, after they've seen the, like, what I am capable of, they start, this person helped them to get rich. I helped someone to get rich. I helped someone to get blenders and everything, guys. They were so surprised. I was like, I also helped someone to get TV. They were like, wow, you are the one that bought this thing. I said, yes. You do this thing yourself? I said, yes. I was like, really? I even have a sister at diaspora, guy. So she stays in Spain. She literally called me, like, we do talk on video calls. She was like, wow. So they tell me that you do importation now, you buy things for cheap and everything. I was like, yes, and everything. And she literally sent me money that day. She sent me, like, is it 1.2? Yes, 1.2. She told me that I should keep, like, it is around 1.225, guys. So the 50,000, she told me that I should keep it to myself. That the 1.2, she wants to use it to get something for her kids. And I help her to get everything. I send it to her kids. I show her pictures and everything. She was so happy, guys. Like, so happy. So all those things happened because a stranger trusted me. So that's just it, guys. So I'm talking from experience, guys. And I also know, because, like, let's just say you are friends with people around your range, guys, which means, like, if you are from, like, a lower background, so you know what I mean, guys. So it is not just from my own hand, guys. So it is from all the people from the lower background. Like, people get jealous easily because they don't have the information you have, or, like, they are not you. You understand? They get jealous when they can't do something that you are doing. So they get jealous about it. So that is why I did tell you that. Just start. Don't tell anybody. Then after you start, you learn one or two. Then you have, like, you raise a little bit of money. Like I said, with 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, you can start importation. You raise a little bit of money, then you start. You buy some stuff, you import it. Then you can now show it to them. Understand? So through that, they will start trusting you and trusting you with your money. So I'm only saying this if you want to do importation for business. But if you're not doing importation for business, or you just want to be buying your personal stuff, then you don't literally need to worry about any of these, guys, because you are just buying goods for yourself, guys. But if you want to take it as a business, then don't tell your family member. And also, there's also one thing. They'll be like, oh, please borrow me the shipping fee. You understand? Help me to pay the shipping fee. I'll give you later. Yes, like, they will test you with something like that. Don't answer them, because, like, if you literally pay, they won't pay you back. Yes, they won't pay you back. So that is one thing. They might tell you that, oh, help me now, it is me. Help me to pay now. You understand? So things like that, they will gaslight you. So you literally don't need to tell anybody. Just focus on your dream and keep learning and keep hustling, guys. So that's just it, guys. So if you're still watching, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. And thank you for watching this video. See you next time.